Hi, in this video I'm going to show how to make a digital input and output by push button and LED bulb with Arduino using Arduino Starter Kit. This project explains how digital input is taken through push button and that is detected by Arduino, and it sends digital command to attach LED bulb. For making this project we need Arduino Uno and breadboard, which is fixed on Arduino base plate, battery holder with 6 AA battery and switch, 5 male-to-male jumper wires, 1K and 10K ohm resistor, push button, LED bulb, USB A to B cable. Plot this diagram for connection. Next, connect Arduino and laptop or the system you are using with USB cable. Now let's see the Arduino code of this project. Before the board setup, we create a constant variable for push button input connection into digital pin 2 and for LED bulb connection into digital pin 3. And we create a variable to store the current state of the button, that is button state assigned to 0. Inside the board setup, constant variables are configured using the pin mode function. LED is defined as an output, button is defined as an input. Inside the main loop, a function called digital read. It checks or reading the state of button, which will be either high or low, and store that state in the button state variable we created at the top. If statement that checks to see if button is high, then the lead is set high. As a result, the lead bulb will on. If not, the code contained inside the else, then the lead is set low. As a result, the lead bulb will off. And now upload the code. Now let's see how it works. When you switch on the power supply and press the push button, then LED bulb will on, and when you're releasing the push button, then LED bulb will off. That's it. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates.